Love is in the air, but is a proposal on the horizon? Join us as we dive into the latest scoop on NFL star Travis Kelce and global sensation Taylor Swift. From Super Bowl rings to engraved lyrics, Kelce is cooking up something special. Will wedding bells ring soon, or is it just a spark in the rumor mill? This is CelebXplore Hub, and we're delving into the game of love and diamonds. Today, we unravel the intricacies of Travis Kelce's secret plans for Taylor Swift's engagement ring. Get ready for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the NFL star's romantic aspirations, from diamond choices to possible lyrical engravings. Stay tuned to find out if the Kansas City Chiefs tight end is ready to take the plunge or if it's all just a glimmer of future romance. While Travis Kelce might not be dropping to one knee just yet, insiders reveal that he's already brainstorming the perfect engagement ring for Taylor Swift. Sources close to the NFL star suggest that he's considering using diamonds from his Super Bowl rings to craft a truly unique band. But that's not all. There's talk of engraving a special lyric that holds sentimental value for the couple. With Travis focused on securing another Super Bowl win, the question arises, can love take center stage amid a bustling career? According to insiders, Travis is balancing both priorities, driven by a desire for success on the field and a vision of a future with Taylor. The insider dishes on Travis's commitment to ensuring that any engagement ring reflects the enduring nature of their connection. As the couple gears up for their first Valentine's Day together, logistical challenges emerge. With Taylor's international tour and Travis's Super Bowl aspirations, finding time for a romantic celebration becomes a puzzle. Will they manage to be together on this special day, or will distance play a role in their love story? Approaching their one-year anniversary in July, Travis and Taylor's journey has been a whirlwind of romance and secrecy. Discover how their relationship unfolded from a chance meeting to shared holidays and intimate moments. As fans speculate about a potential musical inspiration, we explore Taylor's recent studio visits and the mysteries surrounding her ongoing re-recordings. Travis Kelce opens up about the pressure of finding the right gift for Taylor, just in time for Valentine's Day. As he endorses ETSE for that special touch, we get a glimpse into the challenges celebrities face when it comes to expressing love in unique and thoughtful ways. That's a wrap for today's exclusive peek into the world of Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift. Will a Super Bowl diamond grace Taylor's finger soon, or is it all just part of a grand plan? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to CelebXplore Hub for more celebrity tales and tantalizing love stories.